Hi, fellow Credit Union One employees. It's Cody from the South Branch over off of 89th Street. Um, as some of you may or may not know already, we are implementing some changes to our check hold policy. It's not any longer going to function the way that it did um, because I submitted a proposal to Mrs. Robinson and Mr. Lavin over at the main branch to see about changing the mechanisms that are, or I should say now, were in place. Um, Too many times members came in and were disgruntled because they deposited a check. They needed to write a check to pay a bill, like the gas bill, the water bill, the electric bill, but we weren't going to make those funds available immediately. And we had too many closed accounts, too many complaints, and too many upset folks walking out the doors. And as a credit union, we don't want that. So essentially what we did, we decided that personal checks under $5,000, we're not going to hold them. Banks play by the rule of 5,000, and we think that it's a good rule to play by. So, um, and that would cover almost every case that I talked about in terms of upset customers and disgruntled customers. Um, Insurance checks under $500, especially if we are the lien holder, we're not going to worry about less than $500 worth of an insurance claim. We're just not concerned with that. We have bigger fish to fry. And if it says guaranteed funds, if it's a cashier's check, a teller check, a money order, we're not going to hold it. The premise behind guaranteed funds is that they're sitting in a ledger account at another financial institution somewhere waiting to be drawn on. Of course, this is subject to any levies that might be in place on a particular individual's account, as placed by the Oklahoma Tax Commission, the IRS, DHS, or any other government agency. If you have any questions about the way we shuffle things up, switch things around, you can get a hold of Mrs. Robinson or Mr. Lavin up at the main office, or you can call the South Branch and speak with me about it. We feel it's pretty simple, plain, and to the point, and we're hoping that this allows us to send more members out the door satisfied, happy, and hopefully they will bring their friends, family, and colleagues in so that our credit union can grow and prosper. Thanks for taking the time to watch. We will see you around.